This is Ben Lang-Hendricks with Genii Software with a demonstration of AppsFidelity 3.1, and specifically file attachments in the IBM discussion database. Created a brand new discussion database from the template, no design changes, and let's add a document here which has some file attachments. They're all called sales.xls, but one for each region. So this is the Western region. Now if we go and we edit this with standard domino in the IBM discussion database, we're going to see that it shows a message where the attachments were, and then you can still get access to the attachments down on the right, but they all have the same name, so it can be a little confusing if it's a larger document. Now if we go and change the document, and again this is without AppsFidelity, we get this warning which users dislike very much, because it says the formatting will disappear, but it doesn't say what will disappear, just that the formatting will be harmed. And so if we go and we look in notes, we'll see that sure enough the formatting is lost, and that we still have the messages that say see attached file. All the attachments are gathered at the bottom. In a long document they may be invisible because they're way below what the user can see. Now if we edit and save it from the notes client and come back in here, we'll see another problem, which is a whole other set of C attached files at the bottom. Let's switch and see what this would be like if we used AppsFidelity. Again, no design is changed. We just turn on AppsFidelity and it recognizes the discussion database automatically. So we'll create another copy of this document, put an AF after it just so that we know which one it is. Save it and go, and if we look now, you'll notice that the attachment icons are the way they are in Notes. You click on them and they work just the way they would in Notes. You can open up the spreadsheets. You can still work on them in the bottom right, but you can also click on them in place. If we make some changes, just to see how this works, notice we get no warning because it went through smoothly, and if we come back to Notes, it's got the changes, but it still looks the way it did, and we can still use the attachments. So basically we can use attachments, we can edit it here and go back, and it'll still work no matter how many times we go back and forth. And that's one of our most popular features of AppsFidelity. Thank you very much.